This is a beautiful 1979 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, and believe it or not, I videoed the same car at this same location 15 years ago. And comparing the videos, that was with a little earlier model camera, which wasn't nearly as good as this. So I decided to re-video it. Beautiful car. The windows are all up, so we've got a problem with reflections, but still the video is much clearer than the previous one, and there's not a whole bunch of people around, which happened 15 years ago. So at any rate, beautiful interior, the coach light there. It's amazing how a car like this can be kept in this great condition for 15 years, and that's just the time that we know of. This owner may have owned it from when it was original. Beautiful car. Under the hood be a 425 cubic inch overhead valve V8. I love that interior. It looks very, very comfortable, very padded. And those rectangular headlamps